Hi guys, it's me. I don't have to say Mrs. Coulson, although I'm just so used to it now. So it's me, Mrs. Coulson. And we're going to be doing some math today. Good news. I for some reason in the past when I've done this unit, I felt like it's just dragged on forever. But maybe since we've just had time to just work just kind of lesson by lesson, we're done. Like, we're practically done. We only have about maybe 2 or 3 more lessons, and they're not tricky lessons. They're all just a review of what we've gone over in this unit. So give yourself like a huge pat on the back. Well done. I have to go back to say that you guys have done some excellent work for learning this from home, because sometimes this is hard. This is hard stuff to teach. It's hard for me to teach it sometimes, and I'm just like, whoa, like you guys, again, you're doing such a great job, and I'm so proud of you. So today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing one of these, and I printed it out to show you. I wish I had my big whiteboard. That would be so nice. But you're going to be working on this worksheet today, and really what you're going to be doing, boys and girls, is you're going to be filling in each section, each row. So each row is one problem. And as you can see here, in each row, there are some missing boxes. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go through and you're going to have to solve these problems by filling in the boxes that don't have anything in them. Okay, so for these two, you're going to have to come up with a story situation to match the problem in your row. For some of you, for this one down here, you're going to have to complete a model. You're going to have to look row by row and decide how you're going to fill in the boxes that are empty. Okay, so I'm just going to read you word for word what I have for the directions here from the slides that I use. So it says, to complete the lesson 9 worksheet, you will need to fill in the missing parts of each problem. Each row represents one problem, just so you understand that. This is one problem, this is one problem, and this is one problem, okay? It says you will only be given only one part of each problem. Well, in this case, you're given 2 parts because they've set it up for you as a number line. You're still going to have to fill in the information. Each problem you will need a story, a model, and an equation. So the equation is here, and then actually at the end you get to answer it. So you are going to solve today. And then, of course, at the end it says I jumped ahead, you're going to need to solve the problem. So you're going to need the story, the model, the equation or number sentence, and then you're going to solve. Okay? So you guys actually have been doing this the whole time. The last few lessons with our story situations, you have been doing these 3 steps. Some of you have even solved your problems too. So you're going to have to just, again, think a little bit. You're going to have to think a little bit outside of the box again and say, okay, if you're only given the story situation, or not the story situation, I'm sorry, the number sentence, what model would you use to match that number sentence? What story situation would you write to match the model and the story situation? So when you take a picture of this and you send it to me, I'm looking for these 3 boxes that they're all matching. Okay, so if the story situation, the model, and the number sentence, that they all match. Okay, so if this is a subtraction problem, you're not going to show me an addition sentence here. You need to show me a subtraction sentence. Okay, so you're going to be working on this today. On Thursday into Friday, I will post another video that you'll be doing something that's a little bit similar. It will be different but similar. It'll be a worksheet that kind of looks like this, and there will be missing parts to the problems that you'll have to figure out and solve. But again, this is a review of everything that we've talked about so far in this unit, especially the last few lessons. So hopefully you'll be able to plug that in. So let's just go over the first one really quickly, just the example. It says Jessica walked 12 steps and then walked 24 more steps. how many steps did Jessica walk in all? So if she walked 12, then she walked 24 more. How many did she walk altogether? So you're going to have to, again, show that. And this one's a number line model, so you're going to have to show your number line model how you would solve that. And then write the number sentence and then give me the answer here in this box. Same here, you're only given the model. So you can decide. This one you can go either way. You could do addition or subtraction here. It's however you want to choose to do it. And then this one down here, you're given a subtraction sentence. You can choose to model that again with a bar model, with a bar model here, or if you want to use a number line model. So you get to choose here. You get to choose what works best for you. And then of course your story situations. If you want to just use the birds on the branches, you can, or if you want to come up with something creative, I've read some really creative story situations, so you can decide which story situation you would like to write down here. Don't make it super complicated. Truly, don't make it super hard on yourself. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Okay? So this is going to be your assignment for Tuesday, Wednesday. If you want to do one a day, if you want to just start with one and talk about it, or again, if you have any questions, let me know. And then if we need to work through one, and actually maybe on, I'm just going to think to myself, I'm not going to, yeah. Anyway, so this is going to be your activity. Hopefully this makes sense to you. And I will get this attached to an email and I'll put it in our class dojo. And have fun, you guys. Have fun with this. I can't wait to see the great work that you do. You're already showing me fantastic work, so I truly have no doubts that this will be, that you'll be fine with this. So just let me know. And I will talk to you guys soon. Happy math times. Bye, guys.